Good morning. You guys know the drill. Morning smoothie. We just got home to have a quick lunch. Already had meal prepped some ground turkey, basil, and rice. This is the lunch that I prepped the other day. I'm gonna be prepping my dinner for later so that when I come home from yoga, I can just chill. Let's go. Okay, the chicken is done. Convection bake, 400 degrees. Let the potatoes soak for a little bit in some ice water to get some of those starches out before we put it on the pan. Honestly, I'm gonna just add some olive oil and seasoning and mix it all up. You'll see. Add some olive oil, umami seasoning, pepper. Just gonna spread it out evenly on the pan. This is what the pan looks like. When the roasted vegetables are halfway done, so about 20 minutes, I like to throw in my garlic and grape tomatoes just to add a little bit more depth of flavor. I'm also gonna boil some eggs. The eggs are also sitting in some ice water to stop the cooking process. Now we're gonna make a honey Dijon sauce. Add in some honey, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, and of course, grate in some garlic, S&P, this is what it looks like halfway through. Now I'm gonna add the garlic and tomatoes. Back into the oven. That looks really good. Added some chimichuri to the chicken. We have a little vegetable omelette and some farro. We have a little side salad with cucumber, pickled carrots, and red onion with some kimchi. Chicken with the chimichuri.